Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to enable and customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with the customization, and after that I'll show you a shortcut for this feature. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to find display and brightness. Here we've got the eye protection, which is basically the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. We can of course turn it on just by using the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. It will be much easier, and it will be a huge relief for your eyes. You can also see that the colors are a little bit duller than before, but that's okay. It is because of this mode. So let's tap on eye protection to actually customize it, and let's start with the intensity. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish. So of course it is it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. Just customize it. You can set also the anti-fatigue brightness. You can schedule that feature. The none option is manual option. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based. And here you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely peak the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, of course. So this is the whole customization of this mode, and in order to have much faster access to it, you have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to show those icons, and here we have to find the eye comfort, the eye protection. So as you can see, it is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.